That looks delicious.
Harp, I told you to eat slowly. Inside our neck, there are structures called the esophagus and the trachea. What that is?
Monk! He's gone!
Wink! Harp! Here! Here! Guys, I'm here!
I can't find him at all. What should we do?
Harp, stop hiccuping! You keep shooting magic.
I can't help it.
Harp, try taking a deep breath. 1, 2.
1?
Harp, stop.
Hope! I'm here!
Oh, my hiccups won't stop.
Almost there. Wink!
Oh, Monk.
Wink! Wink! Wink!
Monk, there you are.
You got hit by Harp's magic and shrank too.
That's right. Harp keeps hiccuping. He keeps shooting magic everywhere.
Hope! Even Hope got hit.
Wow, my hiccups stopped. Ha ha, wow. Guys, my hiccups are gone. What a relief, right? What happened? Wink? Hope? Where did everyone go? Did my magic shrink them all? How do I find them? There's a tool that makes things look bigger.
I'll make Harp pay for what he did.
Yeah, let's give him a lesson once we're back to our normal size.
It's Harp! Harp! Over here! Over here!
It's a magnifying glass, Harp.
Wow, I found them.
Ouch, hot.
Guys, where are you going?
What is that?
That is a magnifying glass. It has a convex lens in the center. When sunlight passes through a convex lens, the refraction phenomenon causes the light to become visible.
Mook, can you explain it in simpler terms?
That's, you see, incredibly strong sunlight.
If you touch that, it's hot. It's coming again. Run away.
Harp, stop it. Put away the magnifying glass.
They were here just a moment ago.
Be careful.
Guys, where are you?
Hey guys, this way. The magnifying glass is so scary. Guys, let's go into Lala's house and hide.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, once you climb that hill, it's Lala's house. Let's go quickly. Guys, we're almost there.
But I think we need to go down here.
Are they here?
Let's go. There's no other way. We can do it. But, okay.
There is no other way. Let's go down. This way.
Hurry up, Hope. Hope!
Hope!
Are you okay?
Well done, Hope.
Hang in there. I can't go any further. You guys go on without me.
No, that can't happen.
Hope, we're coming your way. Just wait there.
Hope, it's okay now. We're here.
Thanks. We are almost there. Let's all keep going.
Guys, are you hungry? I brought some fish-shaped buns. Where are you?
Where are we? It looks like we're down below the cliff. First, let's find a way out of here.
It seems like the exit is that way. Guys, let's go over there since the wind is too strong.
Oh,
Wing!
I'm okay.
Guys, hang in there. The wind is too strong, making it impossible to go in one go. Let's hide behind the snow boulders to shield ourselves from the wind. Guys, let's move behind the snow boulders to escape the wind. Follow me one at a time, got it?
Okay. We're almost there.
Now when the wind weakens, we'll go all at once. Now is the time. Run!
I'm so exhausted. It's all Harp's fault.
Harp, I won't let this slide. Hey guys, we're here. Let's go.
Finally, I'm going home. It tastes even better after you've left it in the snow.
One last one.
Wow, we made it.
Guys, we did it. Harp,
You really? That's too much.
Hey, guys.
Harp,
It's really too much. Do you know what happened to us?
Guys, I'm so relieved that you're back. I've been so worried.
All right, stop crying.
Don't do that again. It's okay, Harp. We made it back safely, didn't we?
Yes, let's go home quickly. I'm so tired.
Right. It was such a long day. I'm so hungry.
Delicious.
Harp, hurry up. Let's go.
Hey, guys. I just made snowflake jelly. Try it.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.